founders, experience the power of automation. What is coming? Hello my dear founders. Hope all is well with you. I know the anticipation is climbing. But in these trying times, please take care of your health. Because a financial tsunami is coming. We all should know this. But I would like to remind us of what is coming. A powerful automated system run by ONPASSIVE technology. Do you understand the power of automation? The fact that you can finally have a set and forget business. A business that will perform for you 24/7, 365 days per year. A system that will make sales for you while you get to enjoy life as it was intended. Let's look into your financial future. ONPASSIVE opens its doors to the public to start selling its products through your unique domain, your website. You start with whichever product package that suits your budget. ONPASSIVE sets up everything and deploys its marketing campaigns, providing the needed traffic, targeted visitors, potential customers, to your website. The sales start to come in. You are now earning income. The money you can use to pay your monthly bills. Money to pay off your debts. Money for fun things like traveling. Money to help those in need within your community. Life is good. What is happening? How does it play out? How much is being paid? Guess what? All that does not matter. What matters is that you have a powerful hands-free system that will do all the heavy lifting for you, all of the selling for you, taking care of all of your customers' questions and concerns. What are you doing? Enjoying life to its fullest.